Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. Start by selecting two apps like Play Store and Settings. Now you need to go into Background Apps by clicking on this left button over here and tap on the icon of an app. Select Split Screen and click on the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!